Hello and welcome to this video on the DVANA Workstream productivity system. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate a letter. As I usually do, I'm going to start with the app already signed in. As you can see, this is what the Communications app looks like when you first sign in. Now, the list of available letters will be different for you, as it will be your standard document. We're going to create the welcome letter. So I simply double-click it or press the pen icon at the top. I'm going to use the icon, but you'd normally double-click as it's quicker. Then, like elsewhere, I just enter the start of the client's name. I'm going to use Evil Unlimited. Then I press Next, like so. Then it asks me for the date of the meeting. I open the date picker by pressing the calendar icon, like so. Then choose the meeting date, which is June 30th, then press Next. Now I enter our reference code and press Next once more. I hope you have noticed that this is a standard and quite simple wizard system. Xicora will only ask you for the information it cannot find itself. The next step is to enter your reference code. Finally, I press the button to drop down a list of times to choose the time for our meeting. In this case, 3 o'clock. When I press Next, the app gives me a summary of all the information needed for the welcome letter. The top section is all the information Xicora found, followed by the information I entered in the wizard system. Finally, at the bottom, there is the date, which is just part of the system. I then check through each item to make sure it's correct. This is what goes into the letter. If it's correct, I press the disk button at the top, like so. As usual, the orange flash runs across the screen to let me know the system is busy. When it's complete, the document will open for preview in your PDF reader. That's it. Job done. Now, to make things clear, I have highlighted the different parts of the document that we customized. I have used yellow to highlight all the information that Xicora found for me, green for the system items, blue shows what we typed in. Now, the account code is something we directed Xicora to, so I am calling that yellow. As you can see, this was quite complex in what we did, creating a personal letter from a master. The process is the same for any document. We could make an envelope or a compliment slip, anything that you're going to use many times and that you want to customize. I hope you notice the app color is green. This is because it's a general purpose app. It can create documents from any area of the system and use data from any area too. Remember, always read the question or prompt on the screen, because if you make a mistake, you must start from the beginning again. There is no back button. That's all you need to know about creating documents automatically. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. We have videos on a range of topics, all to help you be more productive. That's us finished for now. Until next time, take care